See how this turned out. So my plan was to do a one pot wonder and go from black to purple to white basically. And then I had these flip-flop embeds. I was going to put them in they were purple, and I was going to put them in the white section. Well, as I was pouring, the top did not stay white. So as I was pouring the white, I was hoping to get black, purple, white, and have a good section on the top that was white and put the flip-flops in. But as I was pouring, I was getting a lot of purple towards the top with the white. And I was afraid that the flip-flops wouldn't stand out. They seem to. Got the cool swirls. The soap was getting thicker on me, and so these weren't quite together as I wanted them to be. Those are a little better. Like I wanted them like kind of like that basically, but the soap definitely towards the very end was getting thicker, and I couldn't really push them down much further than that. And trying to get them together, I was like, well, however they went in is how they went in, and we'll see when I cut. So this scent, look here, I got some white, anyways, this scent is passion fruit pineapple from Candle Science. And now that's more what I was going for with more white, though I did get purple in there. That's okay. Anyways, the scent is
whoa, whoa.